Welcome back, YouTube land. This is Liberal Use of Firearms with another video at the bench. I got a request earlier today from a good friend asking about a good first handgun. This was my first handgun. This is the Walther P22Q Target. Now it's 22 long rifle. It's double single action. It's a great starter pistol because it has a manual safety. You can learn the fundamentals. You're able to grip it well. It's not terrible on recoil. And it's very affordable. That's the big thing. It's affordable to shoot. It's affordable to buy. And you can find these pretty much everywhere. It has a manual safety. And it's not incredibly impossible to maintain. It has a few quirks, though. Going over, other than the normal issues that comes with 22 long rifle ammo, especially in a handgun, this has that as well. This likes the high velocity ammunition. It does pretty well with that. Non-OEM magazines gave me some issues, so I had to go and get OEM magazines to reduce some of those issues. Some of the quirks to this is breaking it down. Now, if you'll notice at the top here, it looks like we have this beautiful compensator. When in actuality, if you were going to break it down, normally, you would lock it back, you would drop your releases, and that would be it. But because this has such a strange build to it, you need to unscrew this strange, I'm going to call it a weight at the front here, with not 2, but 3 set pins, and remove this non-compensator. Now, this on its own, I would assume would work as a compensator, but you'll notice the barrel is not threaded. So there's no gases being released here. So going back to breaking it down, bring it back, up, and out. And you would do your normal scrubbing and cleaning this way. But now we got one more quirk. There's another set screw for the barrel itself. Don't know why they did that. I haven't seen other Walthers like this. Maybe there are, maybe there aren't. I'm not super versed on all different types. But reassembly is fairly easy. You're just bringing it back, setting it back in place, and bringing it up. And then you'll notice you have your cycling firearm. Putting this back on is quite easy. I looked up the torque specs on this, and these are about 10 pounds, so that's easily hand tight. With an extra little grip at the end. And like I was saying, this is single action and double action. So your first shot, like with any hammer fired pistol, is often single. And then each follow-up shot afterwards is that light trigger pull. The manual safety works sort of like a decocker, where it puts a bar up there. So it's not exactly decocking it, but it won't let the hammer hit the striker. Like other Walthers, it's got the ambi mag release here at the bottom, which I really like. I learned on this. With a lot of my pistols, I've moved to the mag release on the left-handed position, because learning on this, I use my middle finger to drop the magazines often now as well. It has a rail, takes most accessories, and this is how mine usually sits. But as a first pistol, I really don't think you can go wrong with this. It's got the white dot sights, so aiming isn't bad. Again, little to no recoil, so follow-up shots are great. And learning the fundamentals on this really helped me move forward, especially up to a 9mm. Moving up to a 380 from this probably wouldn't be a huge jump. And then jump into a 9mm if that was something you wanted to get into. But there's not a lot bad that I can say about this. I mean, you can get a really good grip on this and sit at the range all day without getting a lot of fatigue. The only thing is the magazines are 10 round. I believe this is California compliant, Delaware compliant. So you can only get the 10 round magazines for it. That's kind of a pain. But again, the price point, you just can't beat it. So that's the Walther P22Q target. And I will see you in the future.